Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can promote dating related CPA offers. I'm going to share with you step by step so you can watch this full video without skipping any part. Guys, I have recently made this website. I have inserted dating related CPA offers link on this website. You can check link in the description to learn how to make this kind of website and how to insert dating related CPA offers link on this website. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get targeted traffic to promote dating related CPA offers. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I wanna share with you this platform called Locanto. Guys, this is a best and most popular platform. Using this platform, you can get lots of targeted users. Guys, here you can see Locanto platform is getting more than 700,000 visitors monthly. And here you can see this platform gets more than 75% visitors from United States. If you will advertise your website on this platform, then you can get lots of targeted visitors. Let me show you how you can advertise your website. You can click on post free ad button. Now first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can continue with Google or you can type here your email address. You can click on register now button. Now you can type your username. You can type your password. Now you can read and accept its terms of service. You can scroll down. If you want to create premium account, then you will have to spend some money. In premium account, you can get all of these features. You can also create basic account. You can click here. Now you can click on post an ad button. You can type your title for your ad. You can click on next button. You can select your category. Guys, this is a dating related website. I'm going to choose your dating category. You can click here. Now you can select here this option. You can choose your subcategory. Now you can type your description. You can type your this kind of description. You can click on next button. You can upload your dating related image. You can click on next button. You can add here more information. Now you can paste here your website URL. You can visit on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. You can copy this URL. Now you can visit on this platform. You can paste here your website URL. You can click on next button. You can choose your New York City. Now click on next button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on post and add button. Here you can see this platform is providing packages. If you want to get more visitors, then you can choose any of these packages. You can click on continue button. Yeah, here we go. You can see well done. Your ad will be online shortly. You can click here to view this advertisement. Here is showing title. Here is showing image. Here is showing description. When any person will click on this button, then they are redirected on this Google site. I have inserted Crakrevenue dating smart link on this button. When that visitor will click on this button, then Crakrevenue network will show CPA offers according to users. When that user will do any kind of activities, then Crakrevenue network may create your account. So friends, you can use Locanto platform to get lots of targeted users on your website. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.